The meme coin space never really stands still. It's a constant roller coaster. One moment you're watching crazy gains stack up, and the next everything can come crashing down. I've been on both sides of that ride, and trust me, I took my fair share of losses before figuring out how to handle it. Over time, though, those lessons shaped into a strategy that actually delivers. In this video, I'll break down that system and show you the exact approach I use to launch meme coins so you can start seeing results faster. What really changed the way I approach things was realizing meme coins don't just have to be treated as quick flips for fast profit. They can actually be managed like real projects that deserve attention and effort. That shift in mindset made a massive difference in my results. These days, I mostly zero in on new launches. And like a lot of people, my first real step into the space was through Pump Fun. It's basically where the action kicks off. The tough part, though, is the insane competition. Just being there isn't enough. Even with a plan, luck is such a big factor that you're more likely to fail than win. Once I got a feel for how frantic Pump Fun can be, I started looking for a platform that offered more balance. And that search brought me to Raydium. Let me explain why it's my go-to. Raydium has a more polished structure. It's less chaotic, more organized, and designed to support growth for the long haul. Unlike Pump Fun, which floods the space with non-stop tokens, Raydium slows things down. With just a few launches each minute, your project actually has room to breathe and get noticed. It took trying several setups before I found bitlyxsol, a reliable way to launch on Raydium without the usual fuss. The platform removes the heavy lifting. No coding needed, so you can skip all the technical hurdles. Deploying your coin becomes a matter of just minutes, a few clicks, and then it's live. I'll show you the entire process in this video, step by step. Let's get into it. Launching a meme coin without a logo puts you at an instant disadvantage. The logo is the very first thing that grabs attention, and if it doesn't stand out, people are likely to scroll right by. A playful, bold design goes a long way toward making your coin memorable. One simple approach is to borrow inspiration from popular memes that are already trending. A quick online search will give you more options than you'll ever need. For this walkthrough, I'm picking Hatsune Miku. She's blowing up right now, making her the perfect choice. Be sure to resize it to 128 by 128 pixels and save it before continuing. With the logo in place, the launch comes next. Let's jump on the bitlyxsol. Link your wallet, approve the request, and you're nearly done. After just a few more quick steps, your token will be up and running on the market. This is where you lock in the main identity of your coin. You'll need 4 things: a name, a ticker symbol, a short description, and the logo. In my example, I'm naming it Chibi Miku with the symbol Chiku. The description matters more than it first appears. It's the hook that pulls people in. Whether you go for humor, wit, or something unforgettable, it sets the tone. Once all that info is ready, attach your logo and move to the next step. Next up is the tokenomics screen. It might look complicated at first, but there's no need to overthink it. Everything's already configured for you. The default settings work perfectly. Just hit Next to continue. A key factor in building trust around your token is how you manage the revoke authority settings. They work like locks that protect the community from unwanted changes. Revoke freeze blocks anyone from halting trading. Revoke mint ensures no extra tokens can be created. Revoke update disables further contract changes, even by you. Since these options are public, skipping them can look suspicious. The smart move is to activate all 3 before launch to boost both trust and security. The moment you hit launch, your wallet will prompt for approval. Confirm it, complete the steps, and the blockchain takes over. Your token goes live almost instantly. But launching isn't the final step. Take a moment to open SolScan and verify your details. It's a small step that ensures everything starts clean and accurate. Once your token appears there, it's official and running on-chain. You can check the circulating supply, monitor activity, and review every technical detail. Just remember, there's still one last step before it's fully complete. Liquidity is what makes your token actually tradable. Without it, people can't buy or sell. The good news? Setting it up only takes a moment. Click on the liquidity option and I'll guide you through the rest. After pressing the liquidity button, you'll land on Raydium. Step 1. Connect your wallet in the top right corner. Once connected, bring in your token. Copy the contract address from bitlyxsol, paste it into the Raydium token field, and let the system pull it up. When it appears, select Add User Token and confirm. For this demo, with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, we're assigning 900 million to liquidity. Next, select your quote token, basically the trading pair for your coin. On Raydium, SOL stands out as the best choice because of its deep liquidity and steady performance. After that, set your pool amount. More liquidity means greater visibility and stronger price action. My go-to move is to max it out. You can always pull funds back later. Just remember to leave at least 0.2 SOL untouched for transaction fees. Then decide on the fee tier. I stick with 2% almost every time since it's proven the most reliable. Other tiers exist for testing, but they rarely perform as well. Once set, press Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve in your wallet, and your token is officially ready for trading. When your liquidity pool is locked in, your token is launched. It's listed on Raydium and automatically appears on platforms like Photon. From that point, trading is open, and this is where things get exciting. You'll start seeing the market's reaction. I'll share the charts so you can watch every transaction roll in and follow your token's journey live. When it comes to tracking tokens, I stick with DexScreener. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for tutorials. To view your token, just open a chart, grab the contract address from bitlyxsol, and insert it into the URL. Your chart appears instantly. Pay attention to the liquidity area, since that's where most of the trading action happens. And remember, bots never sleep, so some of that activity will come from automated trades. Check your portfolio on Raydium. It's your central hub to view all tokens and liquidity. This is also where you can monitor your profits before withdrawing. Don't stress if new positions don't appear immediately. They usually show up under the liquidity tab after 10 to 15 minutes. Watch this time lapse of the token launch. Nothing is guaranteed, but patterns form fast, helping you read the flow. By the way, while you're watching the token time lapse, here are the giveaway winner from the previous video. If you want to win the next giveaway, join the Telegram group down below. And while I'm yapping about the giveaway, it's already time to rug the coin. We're at the final stage. Head over to Raydium's liquidity tab and select your LP position. Click the minus icon and slide it to 100%. Ignore the top numbers. They're rough estimates. Focus on the SOL value below. When it matches your expectations, click Remove Liquidity and approve the transaction in your wallet. Just a heads up, this guide is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and make your own calls. Once the confirmation pops up, your earnings start flowing straight into your wallet. Give it a moment to refresh, and you'll see the results instantly. My profits were small at first, not huge, but doing this consistently over time really adds up. That said, it's a fun opportunity. If it feels right to you, now might be a good time to explore it. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to keep following more meme coin launches like this one.